Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to avoid late fees with Afterpay. Now for payment reminders, you can set up payment reminders to ensure you never miss a payment, and that's going to help you out with that. And Afterpay will send reminders before your payment is due once you've set up payment reminders. Now you could also use automatic payments. So you can set up automatic payments to ensure that your payments are made on time, and Afterpay will automatically charge your payment method on the due date, and that helps you. You can also use payment schedule, so you can check your payment schedule regularly to ensure that you know when your payments are due. And you can make payments early to avoid late fees. Now, payment methods, you also want to use a reliable payment method such as credit or debit card to ensure that payments are made on time. You also want to keep your payment method up to date to avoid declined payments. Now, you got to make sure that you communicate with Afterpay if you're having trouble making a payment. And Afterpay may offer assistance such as a payment plan or temporary hardship arrangements just to help you out with your payments. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to avoid late fees with Afterpay. Hope you guys found the video useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.